The ultimate guide, changing your passport number.
Hello there. Today, we're going to walk you through a process that might seem complicated at first, but with this guide, it's going to be a breeze. We're talking about changing your passport number. This usually involves getting a new passport altogether. We'll break this down step by step for you, so sit tight and let's get started.
Why would you need to change your passport number?
First, let's understand why you might need to change your passport number. This usually happens under specific circumstances such as losing your passport, having it stolen, or if the passport has become damaged. It could also happen if you've undergone a significant name change or if your appearance has drastically altered. Now, let's go through the process.
Reporting a lost or stolen passport.
If your passport was lost or stolen, the first step is to report it immediately to the relevant authorities. This could be your local police department, and most importantly, your country's passport issuing authority.
Fill out the required forms.
Once you've reported the loss or theft, you will need to fill out the necessary forms for a new passport. This process may vary from country to country. Typically, you'd need to complete a new passport application form and a statement regarding the lost or stolen passport.
Gather supporting documents.
In addition to the forms, you need to gather some supporting documents. These include proof of citizenship, such as a birth certificate, proof of identity, like a driver's license, and a recent passport-sized photo. If you've undergone a name change, you may also need to provide legal documents supporting this change.
Submit your application.
Now, submit your completed application along with the supporting documents to your local passport issuing office. Depending on your country and the specific office, you might be able to mail in your application or you might need to apply in person. Don't forget to include the required fees with your application.
Wait for your new passport.
The final step in this process is simply to wait. Processing times can vary greatly, so it's a good idea to apply well before any planned international travel. Once your new passport arrives, it will have a new number. And there you have it. While you can't just change your passport number without getting a new passport, the process of replacing your passport isn't too difficult if you follow these steps. As always, check the specific requirements for your country, as procedures may vary. We hope this guide has been helpful and wish you a smooth process in getting your new passport. Safe travels!